Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one tonight. I've got a house sign to do for a friend actually, and we're going to be doing it on the CNC plasma. Bit of welding, bit of painting, and hopefully it'll all come out all right. Right, so without further ado, let's crack on with it and see how it goes.
Because I do not like to, what shall I say, have things...
So here's the finished article. I think setting these the numbers off on pegs, giving it a 3D effect, is really effective. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always guys, big shout out, big thank you to Xtreme Plasma for again making these videos possible, for sponsoring the channel. This is an amazing bit of kit to work with. The CNC is brilliant. Check out their website, there's a link below, and their channel, their YouTube channel, there's a link to that as well. And have a look for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can thumb it down, it's fine. Please think about subscribing and tell your friends. Right, and I'll catch you on the next one.